Hey guys, how's it going? Sorry I haven't updated y'all. Just been, you know, just trying to crack on with EK47. As you see her behind me, she's looking a bit bare at the moment, but it's all good. I'm going to put it in another video. I'm not going to show too much in this video, but I'll give you a sneak peek. So yeah, it's pretty much stripped all the way back down, but I will let you guys know and fully explain in the next video. But yeah, right now Sonny did go, well, we was all here the other day chilling, and he goes, oh, I'm just going to go back to my house quickly. And as he does with his surprises, yeah, come back with loads of parts. So yeah, man, we've got most of the bits now, so we're just literally waiting on a few more parts. But the main thing is, hopefully the block should be back this week or next week. I'm just waiting to hear back from BHP, Future Motorsports. So as soon as it's back, yeah, you'll be seeing, you know, us building it up and whatnot. And yeah, so it'll be a trip up Leicester, getting it back obviously, and I've also got to put the springs and retainers in the head also, so I'll be showing you guys that. So yeah, I will put it in the next clip obviously when I go pick up the engine. So yeah, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Drop a thumbs up, guys. Peace. So yeah guys, as you can see, my eyes are burning, man. Yeah, finally linked up because we're on our way to Leicester. Now I can finally say, or I'll let my cousin say, what we're going to pick up. So yeah, what we getting, bro?
Listen, it's go time.
Is that what he's saying, yeah? Is that what he's saying? It's go time. Alright, cool. It's go time, man. That's it. It's go time. So yeah, when we get up there, guys, we'll show you what's cracking. I've got a GoPro with us as well, so yeah, we can get some other footage and stuff. But yeah, man, stay tuned, guys. You're gonna like this one. Believe me, you're gonna like this one. Drop a thumbs up. Bow. Yeah, just switched to the GoPro, guys. So just touched on the M11. We have an hour and 25 minutes. Might get some breakfast beforehand because stomachs are rumbling. Trust me. So yeah guys, like I said, man, drop thumbs up when we touch down in at the airport. We'll let you know. In a bit, guys. Yeah, trust me. So yes guys, we're at the Cambridge services. That's what we're doing. Yeah, man. Woo. Thought it was closed. It's nice in here though, isn't it? Cheers. Yes. Just getting a quick breakfast, as you do. Got doing reviews. Doing food reviews. Where's Mackie's? Oh, it's over there. Got Marks and Spencer's. M&S. I could do some KFC, but it is a bit early, I'm not gonna lie. It is a bit early, isn't it? So, but yeah, this is yeah, just a little queue. So, oh, you're ordering the thing, innit? COVID. Yeah, I don't know what I want. Yeah, I just need to get something, but trust me. Yes, guys, it's got our little brekkie. Orange juice, you know what I mean? No, I don't, man could do it with fucking an espresso, blood. You know, one's quick thing. Yes. So yeah, man, Cambridge Services, big up. We out. Yeah. This ain't paid promotion, by the way. I don't get paid by nobody. No sponsors. Yeah. Actually, shout out XO Racing. Yeah, that's my only sponsor. Yeah, so yeah, man, we out here. Yeah, let's continue with this journey. So yeah, guys, after a lengthy motorway journey, we is here. We arrived. Paga. That's right. Yeah, system. Here we are. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, guys, stay tuned. Watch the next clip and you're gonna see what we're getting. Woo! Woo! So yes, guys, it's the moment we're waiting for. So this is Sonny's new block. As you see, we're at Future Motorsports right now. But yeah, what do you think, man?
Listen,
you happy?
Over the moon. Over the moon. Over the moon.
So yeah, man, this is the cylinder support system, CNC Werx. So yeah, man, we're going for everything. We're sending it. So yes, when we get back to the garage, I can show you guys in detail because we are on a bit of a time crunch right now. But yeah, man, so hyped, so hyped. So yeah, guys, just done a few stops. We're going to show you all the parts we got when we get back to the garage. So obviously we just want to head back, get back as soon as possible. But we just went to a local paint shop around here, Nuneaton. I think this is the area. So yeah, I just got some tack cloths and some thinners for the white primer and the base coat. So yeah, that'll be that. And then yeah, man, time to get painting. So we are heading back now. So when we get back, I'll show you what we got in the back in detail. So stay tuned, guys. Yo. So yes, guys, did get back the other day, but didn't actually get a chance to record anything when I got back, as I had a few things to do on EK47 and I got a bit sidetracked. As you see, she's all dust sheeted, and so is Phantom. Just got some tarp over her, but I'm gonna show you the bits we got the other day. And yeah, man, literally his block is practically ready to go together. Just got to get that crank checked, get the bearing sized up and whatnot, and then we'll be good to go. We'll get the bottom end assembled, and then like I said, just got to put the springs and retainers in the head. And yeah, then I think he's ordering these cams as well at the end of this week, hopefully. So yeah, the full block can go together, timed up and everything. So yeah, man, it's literally, like I said, man, it's going to be a quick project. Well, quick turnaround project, because Sonny don't play about, man. You know, he just wants to get stuff done, and you know, me, I just take a lot of L's, but that's how it goes. 2021, coming back proper with this one, man. Believe me, guys, you ain't gonna want to miss this series on EK47 as well, trust me. But yeah, firstly, while my bits are out, I'm gonna, oh, that sounded a bit wrong, guys, sorry, pause. While my parts are out, even that sounds fucked up, fuck's sake. But yeah, guys, while my my boxes are out here, I can show you mine quickly. This is just parts for my engine block. Sorry, I'm sanding, so my hands are a bit dusty, crusty. But yeah, got another set of rods, big end bearings, main bearings. Also got another head gasket. So I just need to order a timing chain kit, yeah, and the guides and tension and all that. And then yeah, that's gonna go back together. But that's not worried about that too tough right now, as you see, sanding. So that's the main thing right now. So yeah, it's getting a major overhaul, guys. So stay tuned for that. Excuse the mess in it, man. Just trying to get stuff organised. But yeah, the main thing, like I said, man, we went to Leicester the other day, Future Motorsports, and yeah, this is Sonny's new block. So this is the CNC Werx CSS system, cylinder support system. So yeah, man, big up Bijal at Future Motorsports, and big up Jeff at CNC Werx. Just hit any of them two up if you need any of this process, you know. Sorry, I can't talk, guys, man, I'm so tired. I'm always tired, but yeah, it is what it is, excuse me. But yeah, man, this is the new block. As you see, it's B16A2. It's been bored, decked and honed. to, well, it's been bored out to 81.5mm, as we have 81.5mm pistons. We did actually collect these off Cat. We got the cuz. So these are the AEM True Time cam gears. So like I say, he just needs to order his cams. So yeah, he's got his cam gears there. Box of goodies, like I said, man. This guy's just been collecting parts. Big up manager built every time. And obviously this is the thumbnail time. But yeah, man, just gonna get some Dextron, some ATF, automatic transmission fluid, give this a little clean out, because as you guys know, man, you can never get them too clean, you know. They get acid bathed and whatnot, but even still, there'll always be some little bits of dirt in there and grime. But yeah, we'll get that all cleaned up when it's ready to go together. As you guys know, it's going to be rocking a top mount manifold, 44mm gate, 6262 turbo. But yeah, man, when we do start building this, I'm going to do series like every week on this car, so you ain't going to miss nothing, guys. Don't worry, just giving you like a little rundown. If you guys are new to the channel and whatnot, this is the Phantom, if you guys don't know. So it's an EJ6 coupe. Well, yeah, like I said, man, when we start doing the series, I will go into more detail on the car and the spec and whatnot. But yeah, man, we are getting there, guys. We are getting there. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next series. As I said, man, I'm going to be starting the series on EK47 as well, and it might be a mixture of both. I might like drop a series on Phantom, then the same week drop a series on EK47, like as to what we're doing with this as well. So yeah, man, just stay tuned. We're staying busy and I'm trying to push content out for you guys, man. So just please work with me and just keep supporting, man. Share the videos, tell your friends and tell your family to watch, you know. It's just something to watch over the lockdown if you're in the UK. But yeah, man, oops, just gave a bit away. But yeah, stay tuned, guys, stay tuned.